After a 30 kilometers incredible breakaway on cobbled climbs of the capital of Rwanda, the young Jacob Debese won the penultimate stage today in the streets of Kigali. He added a third victory for the Eritrean team, who have already won a stage of with Mehari Kudus and Benjamin Kirme since last Sunday. The 19-year-old Jacob Debese had already a great start of the season by winning the first round of the UCI Under-23 Nations Cup at the Tour de l'Espoir in Cameroon 3 weeks ago. Like his compatriots early in the tour, he had courage to attack alone in the first cobbled climb, leaving today's escaping companions without reaction when it started to rain. The young Eritrean took all the risk downhill to have more gap over the chasing group. He was well ahead on the yellow jersey of the race, but the peloton accelerated to stabilize the delay to 1 minute. 9 kilometers from the finish, his compatriot but also concurrent Mehari Kudus from the Astana team was in distress when he missed a long turn. He came back to join his main rival Rayan Tarameh, second in overall classification, and Matteo Badelati from the Israel Cycling Academy team, currently on the third position. But Mehari Kudus was going to drop some precious seconds as he punctured in the last kilometers. Stage 7 won by Jacob Debese had almost caused Mehari Kudus to lose his yellow jersey, but he finally kept a small 7 seconds advantage on Tarameh and 18 seconds on Badelati. The last stage tomorrow in the streets of Kigali with the dreaded Kigali's wall will be very exciting. Everything will be decided on the steep and cobbled climb. On today's classification, Jacob Debese drove stage 7 in 2 hours, 12 minutes and 35 seconds. Alessandro Fedeli, Adrien Guillaumet and Chirac Tesfam followed by 21 seconds.
Today was very hard race with hard cobblestone and with was rain, so very difficult today. I'm feeling strong, so today I win. So very happy today. This I don't know, it's incredible.
On the general classification, Mehari Kudus kept a small 7 seconds advantage on Rayan Tarameh and 18 seconds on Matteo Badelati.